This flower is very special. What's up? Have a good day, everyone. This is Eric the Explorer sharing my footsteps. So, I'm here at the moment planning to go hiking. So, this is the Phong Hang family walk. Not difficult because the trail is wide stairs. Hope that until to the top it will be like this. So if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe now. Click the like button and leave some comments. And please don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload a new video. So my channel is My Footsteps Vlog. Please keep supporting and hope to see you all in all of my upcoming videos.
Yeah, finish. Finish. Oh, where we come from? Oh, you see the car? Okay. We come from that way. That direction. Can you see our house? Do you see? Yes. Yes, we come from that side. Sạch có tiết tạc lá được tạo tạo. Mó ảo tôi sơi sai rồi. Màu lò sao lò là như thế này.
Sharing the view from the Phong Hang family walk viewing point. Thank you, thank you. And we can see that mountain, that is the Wotongshan mountain. So we're here at the Phong Hang family walk viewing point. Nice view. There's a helicopter passing by. We're on the top of the mountain. There's a lot of both. That is Sha Tao Kok. The tall building is already China. Sha Tao Kok is the border of China, maybe. Oh, this flower is very special because it's facing down. Looks very sad. Give me a headache. But it's pretty, very beautiful. Wow. See. Similar to the willow tree. The willow tree, all the leaves is facing down. Looks so sad. Also this flower, call it spring flower, only bloom in springtime. So maybe this is a spring flower. We call this spring flower. Oh, it's a lot. See, from here to there. Oh, very pretty. It's quite high. And can I zoom it? Oh yes. But when I zoom it, it's getting blurred. It's beautiful. Though it's facing down, it looks beautiful. Very beautiful.
Don't show me the flower.
Very pretty. It's getting blurred.
Oh, I don't want to see the. Oh, be careful. See?
The petals is very small, not that big. Very special one. Maybe I pick one just for keep. Our goal for today is collect flowers. So maybe I take one. It's quite high. I just take maybe the flowers itself. I no need to take the. Yes. Very nice.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, what's that?
Park on the top of the mountain.
Oh, you want to climb up that tree? There's no one climb up that tree.
Is that the place that we've been last time?
Yes, with the bicycle.
Yes. So that's the end. So that is the end.
Come up here, Ting. Come up here. Come on. Come up here. Let me help you.
Second viewing point. What you can see from here is the village below. Village of Lok Keng Wok Ok. Lok Keng Wong Ok. That is the name of the village. And Lok Keng Chan Ok. You can see the village from below. Yeah, we've been there before. That is what you can see from here. Second viewing point. Second viewing point. This is what you can see from here.
Okay. You want to eat the strawberry? Eat and then you go. Okay, walk.